Neil Battaglia, Nealians.com. Alright, so this video is about the x and y coordinates in 2 dimensions. So we've got the y-axis, which is vertical, in black, and the x-axis in gray, which is horizontal. The center is the point 0, 0, so it has an x-coordinate of 0 and a y-coordinate of 0. Let's start with the y-axis. If we go above the gray line, above the x-axis, we have positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then below we get negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3, -4. From the origin, the center point, we've got an x-coordinate of 0. If we go to the right, we have positive numbers. So +1, +2, +3, +4. To the left, we have negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3, -4. We can continue going above for the y-axis and below. And we can continue to the right. And we can continue to the right and to the left for the x-axis. It depends on what you're plotting. So let's say we're trying to figure out the coordinates for this red dot. If we drop a dotted line in gray down to the x-axis, we can find the x-coordinate, which turns out to be 5. If we take a black line and bring it over to the y-axis, we can find the y-coordinate, which turns out to be 4. So the point is 5, 4. X comes before y, just like alphabetical order. Let's say we have this point, which could be the y-intercept for a line, if it was part of a line. We can drop the dotted gray line down to the x-axis to see that the x-coordinate is 0, and we can count up on the y-axis to find that the y-coordinate is 7. So that point would be 0, 7. This next point in red, we see that the x-coordinate is 3 because it's directly on the x-axis. And if we look to the left to the y-axis, we see that the y-coordinate is 0. So the point is 3, 0, the x-coordinate and then the y-coordinate.